In this video, we have to prove that root under 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos theta. Let's take the LHS. Now, we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So this thing we are going to write in the form of cos 2 theta. So cos 4 theta can be written as cos 2 of 2 theta. In our place, cos 2 theta, so our theta is 2 theta here. Okay, so now let's use this formula. So now here I have written cos 4 theta as cos 2 of 2 theta. Now we are going to apply cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 in the next line. Okay, so now I have written 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1, since cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so I have written for that. Okay, so now I'm going to multiply this term. Now in the next line I'm going to multiply. Let's multiply. So after multiplication I got 4 cos square 2 theta minus 2, and this minus 2 and this plus 2 will be cancelled, and now in my next line I am left with root under 2 plus root under 4 cos square 2 theta, and this 4 cos square 2 theta can be written as 2 cos 2 theta whole square. Now let's check the next line, and the next line I have root under 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta, because this square is going to cancel this square root, so I get 2 cos 2 theta. And in the next line I am going to apply the formula this cos 2 theta. Okay, cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So let me apply this. Here I am going to write as 2 plus 2 root under this. Okay, so inside this bracket I am going to write cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so in the next line I'm going to multiply these things. So I get 2 plus 2 is 4 cos square theta minus 2, and plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Then I am left with root under 4 cos square theta, and we know that square root of 4 is 2, and square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Hence this is our RHS. This is our RHS, and it is proved. I believe you enjoy my video and you found it helpful. Don't go anywhere. I have the next question for you. And friends, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this question, we have been asked to prove that cos 10 degree minus sin 10 degree upon cos 10 degree plus sin 10 degree equal to cot 55 degree. Let's write the LHS. Dear friends, we have written the LHS here, and we know that cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta, and sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. So let's use this. And here I wrote the sin 10 degree of the numerator and denominator as sin 90 degree minus 80 degree. Okay, so now I got this thing, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. In the next line I am going to get cos 80 degree. Okay, so I am going to write it as cos 10 degree minus, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so cos 80 degree, because theta is 80 here, and upon I get cos 10 degree plus cos 80 degree. Okay, so here we have sin C plus sin D sorry, not sine, we have cos. Cos C plus cos D equal to, I get 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay, so I get cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So if I add these two things, 90 divided by 2, 45, and if I subtract these two things, then I get 80 minus 10, 70 by 2, 35. Okay, and if I have cos D minus cos C, where D is the smaller angle. Okay, so if I have cos D minus cos C, then I have 2 sine C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. This formula I'm going to use here. So let me write it as cos minus cos, so I have sine sine, so I'm going to write sine 2 sine. If I add 80 plus 10, 90 by 2 is 45 degree, and sine, if I subtract 80 minus 10, so 70 divided by 2 is 35 degree, upon cos plus cos, I get cos 2 cos. If I add, then again I'm going to get 90 divided by 2, 45 degree cos, and in subtraction I get 70 degree divided by 2, 35 degree. So 2 and 2 cancelled. Now we can see sine theta by cos theta, sine theta by cos theta. So I have sine by cos, that means tan 45 degree, tan 35 degree. And friends, we know that tan 45 is 1 and tan 35 can be written as 90 degree minus 55 degree. So I have tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. So theta here I have 55 degree. So 1 into cot 55 degree, that is cot 55 degree. Friends, this is our RHS. Hence it is proved. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end.